Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by mapping clear skills and a target niche. This tells clients why to hire you. Once done, build one sharp profile that shows 3 sample tasks and your pricing. Make sure it reads like a service offer. Next, install the essential tools: email, calendar, Zoom, a basic CRM, and a password manager, so you can work immediately. These steps get you into action fast and create the infrastructure you need to respond to leads quickly and professionally. You now assemble proof of work, 3 compact case examples or mock projects that show clear outcomes because results beat claims. Once the portfolio exists, write 2 outreach templates, a cold pitch and a concise follow-up, and personalize them by about 20 to 30% for each prospect. Then adopt a daily routine. Split time into outreach, client work, and admin so you stay productive without burning out. This structure helps you win early clients and sustain consistent delivery as demand grows. You finish by onboarding clearly. Confirm scope, set rates, agree deliverables, and a communication cadence, since clarity prevents most problems. Once work starts, automate one repetitive task with templates or scripts and always track time and client feedback. This increases quality and frees your capacity. To scale, standardize processes and hire contractors for overflow. If something goes wrong, pause, confirm the original scope, propose one concrete fix, and document what changed. This restores trust and prevents repeat issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.